Hi guys, and welcome back to another edition of Prohire Truck TTVe. Different today, as always, and we try to bring new things in, and we're absolutely really excited to be involved in a brand new project, and we'll talk about that in a second. We're out and about. We're down here in Bristol and one of our amazing customers, Appetito, to look at a tractor. In itself, what's new about this tractor, but we're going to show you that in a moment. And it's been fantastically, we're able to be joined today by James Stanley from Carrier, and we'll be able to talk about the product together. So, as I said, we've been lucky to be joined by James Stanley, who heads up the TRS operation as part of Carrier's work into endurance fridges. But today, what we have here is the very first of its type in the UK. And, well, James, we've got something here which I think everyone will be very, very interested to see what we've kind of got here. So could you give us a feel for what this actually is?
Yep, so this is first in the UK back of the cab eco drive pack. Traditionally you would have seen them chassis mounted. Obviously 6x2s, that becomes an issue. Add blue tank in the way, we've got all sorts of things on a 6x2 tractor unit. Not a lot of space. So what we've developed is the back of the cab solution. As I say, it's the first one in the UK. This is the Eco Drive 30. So power any fridge. Obviously we love to see it powering Carrier fridges, but power any fridge electrically, take away that diesel engine on the fridge. Pump on PTO, so this truck is equipped with a PTO. We put a hydraulic pump on there, drives a generator, gives us 400 volt 3-phase power supply.
Amazing. I mean, so we're looking at Eco Drive 30. So is that 30 what does that mean? What does Eco Drive 30?
30 is the power it's got, so it's 30 kVA, so it relates directly to its capacity. Exactly. Fantastic. We do a 25 for smaller. If we know exactly what fridges it's going with, we can reduce that. If it's going in a mixed fleet, it's the 30. And obviously, if you've got even bigger stuff in the future, you may see it in.
Amazing, fantastic. So what we've got here is something which is the conversation that I'm having all the time with our clients. Is we know that red diesel is going up. We know that red diesel is going to form part of, or it's going to form part of the past for temperature control operators, and they're going to pay fully taxed fuel. This piece of equipment here will allow you to eradicate the use of diesel altogether. And if you're looking at your ESG department looking for some solutions, we have a solution. If you're looking for noise pollution, we have a solution, because it's almost silent running. And if you're looking really to form part of a green CO2 benefit for your entire fleet, you can see that. But if you can imagine a standard, the Vector 1950 MT is running around about 2.85 litres of fuel per hour. So of course, you know, you've got a situation here, 10 hour a day, say 30 litres of fuel a day. Extrapolate that over a large fleet, or even one vehicle for a year, it's significant sum of money. And if you work at £1 a litre, roughly £7,500 a year. This piece of equipment will take that away for you. And I think from my perspective, one of the exciting things from ProGreen is the involvement we have with one of the major manufacturers in the world for temperature control and refrigeration. The great thing about this is joined up to the unit as well. So what happens, of course, if you've got a problem with any of the equipment, or you need servicing done, it's one port of call, and of course that port of call is ProGreen, as it expects. So I guess one of the great things for us at ProGreen is to be allowed to be involved in green technology, and of course you can't beat being able to eradicate diesel fuel in itself. You know, I can't tell you how much work's gone into developing and fitting this product onto this unit, with the view for ensuring that it does all the things that you need it to do. You know, I can ensure there's many hours with the tape measure used to try and make sure this fits, so we can actually turn it around, but also make sure the maximum length wasn't exceeded in the UK roads. You know, I guess like all the things, and I've been asked on a number of occasions to try and be maybe more technical, but we just don't have the time on a video. What I'd love to be able to do is talk to as many customers as I want to talk to about all the things that we talk about every week, all the things that we touch on. You know, you've only got to pick up the phone, talk to us here at ProGreen, and we would love to talk to you for hours on how we can make this work for you, how we can develop it. Of course, everything you see on Prohire Truck TV is available through Prohire and Contract Hire, fully maintained, fully equipped, and fully set up for an end-to-end solution. Alternative fuels, electric through ProGreen, ICE vehicles through Prohire, end-to-end, one-stop shopping. So hopefully you've had a quick insight into what this is able to do. It's plug and play, absolutely assure you of that. We'd love to see you again very soon. If you need anything from us, please call us. If you like what we do, please share and like and subscribe, of course. And hopefully I'll see you again very soon. Take care, guys. See you soon.